Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your mobile data and voice service are active and visible in the status bar. This prevents unexpected drops. Once done, enable VO LTE if your phone and plan support it, because VO LTE lets voice and LTE data coexist. Make sure to close bandwidth-hungry apps so the call has priority. This reduces buffering. Next, toggle mobile data on. You'll see LTE or 4G while on the call. This first set of steps gets you connected and ready to use data reliably during voice. Once you're on the call, manage apps to preserve throughput and avoid interruptions. You should switch heavy apps to low bandwidth or mobile versions so they don't steal packets from your call. This keeps audio stable. Make sure features like Wi-Fi Assist or adaptive data are set to your preference because they may toggle networks mid-call. Also monitor real-time data and signal strength in settings so you can act if performance drops. These middle steps maintain quality while you continue talking and using online services. To finish, gracefully end any streaming or uploads and then disable mobile data if you want to stop background sync. That preserves battery and data. If audio stalls or data cuts out, try toggling airplane mode for a few seconds to force a fresh registration. This often restores both voice and data quickly. If problems persist, contact your carrier with details, time, location, and whether you saw LTE or 3G. That information helps them diagnose network-side issues and resolve persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.